Today we are going to learn about the integration of Zoho Books and Tax1099 and how to import your 1099 forms from Zoho Books. From the dashboard, go to the left sidebar, find Imports. You can either click on the name directly from there, or if you like, you can click on Imports, find the logo, and click on that. It is important that you read these instructions, as you must generate a 1099 report in your Zoho Books account before importing. I have done this. Here's how. Click on Reports, and you can scroll down until you find the report. Select the reporting year and the form that you want. Make sure all the criteria that you would like is in here and correct. Then generate it, and here it is. Now back to Tax1099. Next, you connect the two programs. Select your tax year, the type of form you want to import, load the data. Now we want all of our miscellaneous 1099s, so make sure these boxes are checked. Select Next, and we have successfully imported all of our forms. Now we may edit them, submit them, export them to Excel, or do anything else that you can do with a form in tax1099.com. Thank you.